In this video, we will focus on teacher identities and mental health in the online classroom. What does identity mean? The meaning of identity is fluid and can take on various meanings dependent on the issues surrounding identity, such as religion, education, or politics. For the purposes of this video, we will look at two forms of identity in education, one being claimed and the other being assigned. An assigned identity is given to you by others. A claimed identity is one you acknowledge or claim for yourself. The acceptance of identities as either assigned or claimed are largely based on societal expectations. In the past, teachers did not take issue with an assigned identity since, generally speaking, school policies reflected a traditional form of teaching. The teacher was expected to be the only source of information for learning. However, over the course of time, advances in technology began to become more common in schools, and understanding how to use technology to their advantage allowed some teachers to claim an identity rather than have one assigned to them. In 2020, many teachers may have felt their identities being assigned to them as they quickly worked to accommodate to the new school policies in order to be able to deal with a global pandemic while teaching. When looking at the mental health and well-being of teachers in the online classroom, it is important to look at the factors that may impact on their identities. Teachers may find it challenging to handle the emotions of being seen by others as not being able to accommodate easily with changing school policies in regards to rapid technological advancements. Teachers may find it upsetting that they can't accommodate easily for their students' differing learning styles when using technology as a means to teach, instead of physically being with the students in the classroom. While school administrations have helped with setting up online tools for their teachers to use in terms of class management systems, teachers should be allowed to add flexibility to their lessons to allow for engaging students in the online classroom. This could include playing quiz-type games online, using breakout rooms so students can discuss activities alone in groups, or taking students on virtual field trips to any place on Earth or beyond. Visit our website, link in the description below, to learn about popular, fun, and educational tools teachers can use to help engage students in the online classroom. When teachers feel that they are all provided with flexibility by their school administration, then this may allow for teachers to feel empowered to claim their own identities and build their own enthusiasm to allow for all activities to become more engaging in the online classroom, and gain the necessary confidence to work with parents in helping their children learn. Learn more about mental health topics in education by visiting our website at edukitchen.net/mental health topics. For more videos on mental health topics in education, please like, share, and subscribe to Education Recipes for Learning. And until next time, keep learning and have fun.